Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a CSS Flexbox tutorial on freeCodeCamp. And we're going to learn how to align elements using the justify content property. So in this example, we have this box container and two boxes as we can see here. This is a container where we have a display flex and there's two divs inside of it. And these divs don't take up the entire box container. They're only a width of 25%. So they only take a quarter of the width of the container. And we can use justify content to organize how they're displayed because of this. So when it's a row, it's aligned based on the main axis. So when it's a row, it goes from left to right over the horizontal, but then it's also a vertical as well if it's a column, so it aligns from top to bottom. And we can manipulate the main how it's displayed through the main axis with these justify content. As we can see here, flex start, this is the default one, which starts from the left to right, or if it's columns, top to bottom. And now we can do justify content. And we can see here, if we set the container div with it, this is going to be center instead of starting from left to right. See if we have center there. These divs will be centered. And then we can do flex end will be to this right, aligned to the end of it, as we can see here, in a space between. So the first item will be pushed to the left, very left, and the next item, the last item will be pushed to the right. And then there will be any space between will be pushed to the middle. So space between, like that. And now we can do space around. So this is similar to this, but there's not this space into it. It's more evenly distributed. Next, as we can see here, and space evenly is just similar to space between too, where distribute space evenly between the flex items with a full space at either end of the flex container. And we can see here, like that. So now we want to add the justify content to the box container with a center. So we just have to put center for this exercise. And it's centered. And the bonus was what I just did earlier, where we play around with each value. And that'll be all. Thank you so much.